Most financial advisors will tell you to diversify with stocks, bonds, and real estate, but they're missing the investment vehicle that's helped my candidates build generational wealth while keeping their day jobs, and it's hiding in plain sight. After 30 years in franchising, I've watched people build million-dollar portfolios using a strategy that most investors completely overlook. Today, I'm sharing exactly how franchises can become the backbone of your wealth-building plan. You know what separates people who build real wealth from those who just get by? It's not luck, and it's not necessarily a higher income. It's understanding how to make your money work for you through strategic investments. Most people think investing means putting money into stocks, bonds, or real estate and hoping for the best. I've seen a different approach, one that gives you predictable cash flow, tax advantages, and the ability to scale, all while maintaining control over your investment. Today I'm going to show you how to use franchises as a cornerstone of a wealth building strategy that most financial advisors never talk about. This isn't about buying a job. It's about building an investment portfolio that creates income streams and generational wealth. The first thing you need to understand is that franchises offer something most investments don't: multiple models to fit your lifestyle and goals. You can choose semi-absentee models where you're involved 10 to 15 hours per week, completely passive investments where you hire management teams, or owner-operator models where you're hands-on daily. This flexibility allows you to diversify your portfolio, not just across different franchises, but across different levels of involvement. I know candidates who own 3 different franchises: one they operate, one they manage remotely, and one that's completely passive. Each serves a different purpose in their overall wealth strategy. The second advantage is predictable cash flow compared to traditional investments. While the stock market can swing wildly and real estate can have vacancy issues, a well-chosen franchise provides consistent monthly income. You can actually model out expected returns based on existing franchise performance data. This isn't speculation, it's based on real numbers from operating locations. I recently worked with an executive who wanted to keep his job, but start building for retirement through a semi-passive franchise. He now owns 3 units and is hoping to add another brand to his portfolio in sometime in the future. Third, franchises allow you to build what I call strategic empire over time. You're not limited to one business or one brand. I have candidates who built multi-unit portfolios across different franchise systems and others who focused on platform companies that offer multiple complementary brands under one umbrella. For example, there are home service platform companies where you can own plumbing, electrical, and HVAC franchises all under the same support structure. This creates synergies in marketing, operations, and customer acquisition that individual franchises can't match. Fourth, the tax advantages of franchise ownership are significant, but often overlooked. As a business owner, you have access to deductions that W-2 employees simply don't get. Equipment purchases, business travel, home office expenses, vehicle depreciation, these can substantially reduce your tax burden while you're building wealth. Some candidates actually improve their overall financial position through tax savings alone, even before considering the business income. Fifth, franchise investments can be perfectly aligned with your retirement and legacy planning. Unlike stocks that you eventually have to sell, a successful franchise becomes an asset you can pass on to your children or sell when you're ready to exit. I've seen franchise owners sell their businesses for 3 to 5 times annual profits, creating significant liquidity events for retirement or other investments. One candidate built a portfolio of senior care franchises specifically as his retirement strategy. The recurring revenue provides steady income, and the demographic trends make these businesses increasingly valuable over time. The key insight most people miss is that this isn't about replacing your job immediately. It's about building parallel income streams that eventually give you choices. You can continue your corporate career while your franchise investments grow, then transition when the timing is right for you. This removes the all or nothing pressure that keeps most people stuck in careers they've outgrown. The opportunity in franchising right now is unprecedented. There are established systems and growing markets like senior care, home services, wellness, and specialty retail that are perfect for strategic investors. But here's the catch: not every franchise fits every investor, and choosing the wrong can be costly. The difference between success and failure often comes down to proper matching and strategic planning from the beginning. That's exactly what I help people with in my complimentary consultations. We'll discuss your financial goals, timeline, and risk tolerance, then identify franchise opportunities that actually make sense for your situation. There's no pressure and no cost. I'm only successful when you are. If you're ready to explore how franchises could fit into your wealth building strategy, click the link below to book your free consultation. Let's build something that creates real freedom, not just another job.